Why aren't more people talking about owls? These 7 facts will make you see them in a whole new light. First up, did you know owls can rotate their heads 270 degrees? That's like turning your head to look behind you without moving your body. Next, owls have specialized feathers for silent flight. Yup, they're the ninjas of the bird world. Third, owls have 3 eyelids. One for blinking, one for sleeping, and one for keeping their eyes clean. Talk about multitasking. Fact 4, owls' eyes aren't true eyeballs. They're more like tubes, which gives them incredible vision. And get this, some owls can hunt in total darkness. Their super-sensitive hearing locks onto prey with pinpoint accuracy. Sixth fact, owls swallow their prey whole and then regurgitate pellets of bones and fur. It's nature's way of recycling. Lastly, owls symbolize wisdom, but ancient Greeks believed they were protectors of soldiers in battle. Who knew owls were so historic? So next time you see an owl, remember these 7 mind-blowing facts.